Today I'll show you how to make pork lasagna, but normally I make my own pasta with eggs, but today I'll show you the quickest way, bought one. Sauce on the base. Lay the pasta down. Then you put ham. You put grated cheese. Parmesan cheese is the best. Then you put mozzarella. Some beaten egg. Then you put sauce again. Put ham again.
Did we make a good sauce, Mum?
Yep, perfect. You can put it in the freezer, or you can cook it straight away.
So you're putting baking paper on top?
Yeah.
How many people do you think?
Oh, that could serve 8 people easy.
Easy?
Yeah.
And then how long do you cook it for?
Roughly an hour and a half, but I never change, that's the problem.
Yeah. And what temperature?
On 170, 180.
Okay, for about an hour and a half.
Yeah.
And that's straight, like now you would cook it like that.
If there's only 2 people, they can use a smaller dish, you know, like our foil.
Yep.
And they can make, once they make, they can put one in the freezer, one they cook, or make 3 little dishes, depends.
Excellent.
It's up to them how many serve they want. Enjoy lasagna, and please send me some photos if you are happy with it.